Hello, welcome to Business 290. I'm Professor Morrow. I'll be your professor for this particular class. In this short introduction, I just want to give you a couple pointers on what to expect for the course. First of all, there is a large group project, and those assignments make up all but one module, which is on career planning. Therefore, there's no textbook for the course and there's very few quizzes. There's only a quiz on Module 1A and 1B, and you can read about those in that module. You will also create two videos for this course, one for your introduction and one for your final presentation. Really important is I will post on the news feed on the course homepage several times each week. Please sign in and read those news items. They'll be important for the project that you're working on. Another thing that you can do if you're not sure of what a term means in the class, if there's a financial term, for example, you're not sure what it is, you can always Google it to find an answer or post on the discussion board. There will be a lot of research in this course. There is a library link posted in each of the modules, and there's also a library discussion board. This course is the final course that you will take to show what you have learned throughout your time here at HACC, and it is challenging. It does require hard work and the ability to research and think on your own. So I want to make that clear up front as well. The grading in this course is a little bit different in that the capstone project itself is pass-fail, and this particular information is from your syllabus. The important thing here to realize is that you must pass the capstone project to pass the class. And for that, you do need to get a 17.5 out of 35 on the final capstone project. Now, the overall grades are here and the points that you'll need to get an A, B, C, D, or F. The important thing on this particular slide is the capstone module assignments, numbers 1 through 12. I will be grading on a 0 to 2 scale for each of those assignments. They are considered drafts for the final capstone project that will be submitted and graded. The final project is what you will need to pass with a 17.5 out of 35. The assignments 1 through 12 will be considered drafts, and they can be revised for the final project. These grades will be erased once the final project is submitted. If you have questions on that, you can certainly ask me on one of the discussion boards. As far as navigating the course, each module has 2 sections. One section is to read and watch, and that's everything obviously that you need to read and watch, and the other section are things that you need to do. Again, make sure you read all the instructions carefully and watch the videos that explain how to gather the information needed for each assignment. Ask questions on the discussion boards. There is a discussion board for each module 1 through 12. So just some final thoughts. Make sure to print out the SCP project, and that's in actually module 1B. The reason I say to print it out is it's a long project. I think it's over about 20 pages. So if you print it out, it makes it a little bit easier to read and refer to if you don't have your computer or internet access. And make sure to watch the video explaining the SCP project in module 1B. There will be a quiz on that. So with that, that's everything that I wanted to talk about today. If you have any questions, again, please post on the discussion board, and welcome to class.